Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a common grammar point that often trips up English learners: verbs followed by prepositions. Many English verbs need a preposition to complete their meaning. Let's explore 15 common examples. We start with wait for, to expect something or someone. For example, I'm patiently waiting for the delivery truck to finally arrive with my long-awaited order. Then, listen to pay attention to sounds. For instance, every evening after finishing her work, she likes to listen to calming classical music to unwind and distress before going to sleep. Next, congratulate on, to express pleasure to someone about their success. To demonstrate, the entire team gathered to sincerely congratulate her on achieving such a remarkable feat of engineering and innovation. Make up your example and comment below. We continue with laugh at, to find something amusing, often at someone else's expense. To illustrate, despite feeling somewhat embarrassed, she couldn't help but laugh at her own clumsy attempt at parallel parking in the crowded city street. Let's find leave for, to depart from a place to go somewhere. Take this case for instance. They packed their bags early, excitedly preparing to leave for their long-anticipated family vacation in the beautiful French Riviera. Following up consist of, to be made up of or composed of. For example, the advanced science course consists of 3 demanding modules: organic chemistry, physics, and advanced mathematics. Then suffer from, to experience a disease or problem. For instance, having struggled for many years, she finally sought professional help to manage her chronic anxiety and successfully overcome the symptoms. We proceed with compliment on, to praise someone for something. To illustrate, the impressed art critic generously complimented the artist on her bold brush strokes and unique interpretation of the classic landscape scene. Come up with your example in the comments. I would like to mention succeed in, to accomplish something. Take this case for instance. Through years of dedicated practice and relentless perseverance, he finally succeeded in mastering the techniques of classical guitar playing. Rounding up the top 10, specialize in, to focus on a particular area of work or study. For example, as a highly skilled surgeon, she specializes in complex spinal surgeries using the most advanced surgical tools and techniques to restore her patients' mobility. Beyond the top 10, provide with, to give or supply something to someone. For instance, the generous foundation committed to providing underprivileged students with essential educational resources such as laptops and internet access. Now we have concentrate on, to focus your attention on something. To demonstrate, to improve her focus, she learned effective techniques to help her concentrate on her studies without the interference of everyday distractions. Next, I mention insist on, to demand something. To illustrate, despite the overwhelming evidence presented, he insisted on his own interpretation of the data, creating tension within the research team. Let's include invite to ask someone to come to an event. Take this case for instance. The organizers formally invited leading figures from across the globe to speak at the highly respected International Economics Conference. For our grand finale, I have kept believe in, to have faith or trust in something. For example, Despite facing many setbacks, she steadfastly believed in her abilities and continued working towards her goals. Note the difference. I believe him. I trust his words. I believe that it will rain. I think it's true. In these phrases, we do not need preposition in after the verb believe. I hope this overview of verb plus preposition combinations was useful. Remember that consistent practice is key to mastering these phrases. Subscribe for more English grammar lessons and don't forget to like and share. See you in the next video.